Hello, fabulous second violins of 7th grade. This is your last Sortija tutorial. So I'm gonna start slowly. As you see, my metronome is going, and this is speed of 70, 7-0. And this is for the 8th note. So basically, think of it that we're doing it twice as slow until we learn it, okay? So at the beginning, we start with pizzicatos. So set up, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 on G. Ready, 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 low 2, rest. 2, 1, 1, D, rest. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, D, 3, D, low 2, D, 3, A1, A3, high 2, ready, 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 13, 1, 2, arco, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, rest, rest, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, rest, rest, A, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, 2, rest, 21. A, 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 super loud, quiet, 3, 2, loud, 2, 2, 2, rest, 2, D, E, 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 D, rest, rest, 29, 1, 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, high 3, 4, 2, 2, D, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, A, A, 3, 2, key change, 1, 2, A, low 4, low 4, rest, rest, 3, low 2, D, rest, rest, A, low 4, low 4, rest, rest, 3, 2, now get your fingers and set them up like that, pam, 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 rest, rest, pam, 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 2, rest, rest, pam, 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 2, rest, rest, pam, 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 2, rest, rest, whole measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, low 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, rest, 62, D, key change, D, 1, high 2, 1, high 2, D, 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 low 2, D, 3, A1, A3, 2, rest, 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 70, arc, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, rest, rest, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, rest, rest, A, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, 2, rest, rest, 78, A, 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 3, 2, loud. 2, 2, 2, rest. 2, D, 1, 1, 1, 1, D, rest, 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 rest. A, 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 rest, rest. A, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, rest, rest. Oh, 1, 2, 1, oh, 3, A, 3. Now I'm going to set up my metronome to 100. Now you might want to practice at 80 and at 90 before you get to 100. I'm just skipping a little bit because this video will become very long. So this is 100. So after you learn it at 70, then you learn it at 80, you learn it at 90. Now this is 100 and we can try it again together with 100 for the 8 note. Ready? This is the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Low 2. 3, 4, 13. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now 21. 1. 3, 4. 1, 2. High 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, key change. Low 4. 3, low 2, D. Low 4. Low 2. Get your fingers. Bam, 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 bam. 2, 3, 4. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Low 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. High 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rest, rest. Rest. Rest, 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 rest. Rest, rest. Three, 4. Okay, now I'm gonna set it up to 120. This is 120. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Four, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rest. 1, 2. High 3. 1, 2. Key change. Low 4. 1, 2. Low 2. Low 4. Low 2. Bum, 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 bum. 2, 3, 4. 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 Full measure. 2, 3, 4. Low 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rest, rest. Hey. 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to do it at 140, and this signifies an important step because it is the speed that we started it with. So this is 140 for the 8 note. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But as you see, the 8 notes start to become very quickly. So now we can dial it back to 70. This is like the place where we started, 70. But this time, instead of counting an 8 note, we're gonna count a quarter note. So basically our counting is going to be twice slow, but the piece is gonna be twice as fast. So this is how it's gonna go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rest, rest. low 4, low 2, low 4, pam, 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 pam. Rest. 1, 2. Rest, rest. Okay, and last but not least, I want to take it up to 90. This is almost the full speed. So after a while, you'll be able to do this. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2. Rest, rest. One, two. One. All right, good luck practicing.